Have you ever tried to rely on pure effort to reach your goals, only to feel exhausted and inconsistent after a few weeks? Why does pushing harder sometimes lead to burnout instead of progress? What if the real secret to success is not more effort, but better structure? In this video, we will explore why you should replace effort with structure and how systems can transform your results in fitness and life. Stay till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful and practical insights like this. 1. Effort is emotional, structure is reliable. Effort depends heavily on how you feel in the moment. When you are energized, inspired, and focused, effort feels natural. But when you are tired, stressed, or distracted, effort quickly fades. This emotional dependency makes progress unstable. Structure, on the other hand, does not rely on mood. A structured routine tells you exactly what to do regardless of how you feel. When workouts are scheduled at fixed times and meals are pre-planned, action becomes automatic. 2. Decision fatigue destroys consistency. Every day, you make countless decisions: what to eat, when to train, whether to rest, how to manage time. Each decision consumes mental energy. When you rely purely on effort, you force yourself to negotiate these choices repeatedly. By the end of the day, your willpower is drained, making unhealthy options more tempting. Structure removes unnecessary decisions. Meal preparation eliminates last-minute food choices. A fixed training program removes guesswork at the gym. 3. Systems create predictable progress. Random effort produces random results. You might train intensely for a few days, then skip sessions when life becomes busy. You might eat clean during the week and lose control on weekends. Without structure, progress becomes unpredictable. Systems provide clarity. A written program, clear calorie targets, and scheduled rest days create measurable direction. You know what success looks like each day. This predictability builds confidence because you can track progress objectively. 4. Environment should do the heavy lifting. Many people rely on effort to resist temptation. They try to say no repeatedly to distractions and unhealthy habits. This constant resistance is exhausting. A better strategy is designing your environment to support your goals. Keeping healthy food visible, removing junk food from your home, placing workout clothes where you can see them, and scheduling training sessions in advance all reduce friction. 5. Structure reduces emotional highs and lows. When effort drives your journey, your progress often mirrors your emotions. High motivation leads to intense action, while low motivation leads to inactivity. This cycle creates frustration and self-doubt. Structure stabilizes performance. Even on difficult days, you follow the minimum standards set by your system. This prevents extreme swings in behavior. You do not need to feel inspired to act. You simply follow the plan. 6. Small repeated actions outperform intense bursts. Many people believe success requires extraordinary effort. They attempt extreme diets, long workout sessions, and drastic lifestyle changes. These bursts of intensity are rarely sustainable. Structure focuses on manageable actions performed consistently. A moderate calorie deficit maintained for months produces better results than a severe diet maintained for 2 weeks. 3 focused workouts every week outperform sporadic marathon sessions. 7. Accountability becomes clearer. Without structure, it is easy to justify inconsistency. You may tell yourself, you will train later or eat better tomorrow. When expectations are vague, accountability disappears. Structure defines clear standards. You either followed the plan or you did not. This clarity removes excuses and encourages responsibility. Tracking workouts, monitoring food intake, and reviewing weekly progress provide honest feedback. 8. Structure frees mental space. Constantly thinking about what you should do creates mental clutter. When routines are undefined, you waste energy planning and replanning. Structured habits free cognitive space. You no longer debate when to train or what to eat. These decisions are already made. This mental clarity allows you to focus on work, relationships, and creativity. Paradoxically, structure creates freedom. By organizing key areas of your life, you reduce chaos. Your mind becomes calmer because you trust your system. This psychological relief lowers stress and improves overall well-being. Structure is not restrictive. It is liberating when designed correctly. 9. Long-term discipline becomes automatic. At the beginning, structure requires conscious effort to establish. You must plan schedules, prepare meals, and commit to routines. Over time, repetition transforms these actions into habits. What once felt forced becomes normal. This is where real discipline is built. It is no longer dramatic or intense. It is quiet and consistent. Automatic habits require far less effort than constant decision-making. When structure becomes part of your identity, progress continues almost effortlessly. You do not rely on bursts of inspiration because your daily life already supports your goals. 10. Replace pressure with process. Relying on effort often creates pressure. You feel that you must push harder every day to succeed. This mindset leads to burnout and discouragement. Structure shifts focus from pressure to process. Instead of asking whether you are working hard enough, you ask whether you are following your system. This reduces anxiety and builds patience. Progress becomes the natural outcome of repeated actions. You no longer chase intensity. You trust the routine. Over time, this calm consistency produces stronger results than emotional effort ever could. Structure transforms ambition into sustainable achievement. Effort may start your journey, but structure sustains it. When you design systems that guide your actions, you remove the need for constant motivation and emotional struggle. Replace pressure with process and intensity with consistency. If this perspective helped you rethink your approach, don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful and practical insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.